Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and confirming you're in the correct profile, because history is profile specific. Once done, open the menu and go to History, or press Ctrl+H to jump right there. Then pick Clear Browsing Data. Basic removes browsing, cookies, and cached images quickly, while Advanced exposes time range and specific items. You should pick a time range like all time for permanent deletion. Make sure to uncheck things you want to keep before moving on. You now use advanced options to control exactly what gets removed and why. Passwords and autofill are separate, so only select them if you intend to remove saved credentials. Set time range to all time when you want everything gone, otherwise choose a narrower window. Click Clear Data and wait. Larger histories can take a few moments. Make sure sync is off or handled properly first, because Chrome's sync will re-upload history from other devices unless you clear those devices or finish by addressing sync and server-side copies. Go to Sync Settings and either pause sync or choose to clear data from Google servers so entries don't reappear from another device. If you see lingering items, clear the app cache on mobile or reinstall the app, because cached state can persist. Restart Chrome and confirm history is empty. Then check any other devices signed into that Google account and repeat the clear process there. If problems persist, sign out everywhere and change your password as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.